Embroidery, the art of decorating fabric using needle and thread, boasts a storied heritage that stretches back to the ancient civilizations, where it was employed not just as a form of art, but also as a means to convey status and craft personalized garments. Throughout the ages, embroidery has been revered for its capacity to transform ordinary textiles into extraordinary works of art. In the modern era, technological advancements have revolutionized this timeless craft, with embroidery machines ushering in a new era of efficiency and precision in design execution. These sophisticated machines have unlocked the potential for artisans and hobbyists alike to produce complex, stunning designs unprecedented in the history of the craft. The introduction of digital design formats has been instrumental in this transformation. Among these digital marvels is the ART format, which enjoys a fascinating legacy and set of technical features tailor-made for the Bernina brand of embroidery machines. The ART format was designed exclusively for use with Bernina's range of machines and is lauded for its exceptional ability to help create embroidery of remarkable quality. What sets this format apart is its meticulous reproduction of colors and attention to the delicate details that make embroidery designs truly stand out. Found at the heart of the ART format is its reliance on vector-based graphics. Unlike raster images, which are made up of pixels and can degrade in clarity when resized, vector graphics are constructed using precise mathematical equations. This means that whether an embroidery design is scaled up to bedeck a banner or reduced to embellish a handkerchief, the integrity of the design is never compromised. It retains perfect sharpness and clarity through any sizing adjustments, making it especially versatile and valuable in the embroidery industry. Moreover, vector graphics enable the creation of graceful curves and exact lines, which translate into a finished product that looks clean, professional, and is truly eye-catching. This level of finesse is what makes the ART format stand out for intricate and precise embroidery designs. One of the crowning features of the ART format is its multi-layer capability, which opens a realm of possibilities for designers. The complexity of designs achievable with multiple layers means that each color, texture, and segment of an embroidery piece can be manipulated and refined independently. This affords a designer the utmost in creative freedom and technical control, allowing the intricate partitioning of detailed components which can then be meticulously stitched. The ART format also prides itself on its expansive compatibility with a range of Bernina embroidery machines, which are among the most sought after in the industry. This format allows designers to craft designs assured of their seamless operation across various compatible machines. The convenience this provides alleviates concerns about file incompatibility, streamlining the production process and saving valuable time. Nonetheless, it's important to recognize that the ART format, while still in use by a loyal contingent of designers and select machine models, has seen a decline in prevalence with the advent of newer file formats. These fresh formats, like PES and DSD, have adopted and enhanced the strengths of the ART format, including the use of vector graphics and retaining the critical ability to resize without quality loss. Their improved compatibility with contemporary machines has led to their favored status in today's embroidery landscape. In summary, the ART format, developed by Wilcom for Bernina embroidery machines, is a testament to the evolution of embroidery from manual stitching to digital artistry. Its vector-based approach and multi-layered functionality represented a significant leap forward for detailed and intricate embroidery designs. Although the tides of technology have ushered in newer formats that have overtaken the ART format in popularity, the legacy of the ART format lives on in its contributions to the precision and beauty of modern embroidery. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.